Well, after kind of a hot day yesterday, a lot of places in the mid to even some upper 80s, things are going to be cooling off. About 15 to 20 degrees actually for some places today, as we're seeing much cooler air heading our way. Looking out south from our Tacoma Tower camp, looking at clear skies, but we do have some clouds working their way in from the northwest, and it should gradually become mostly cloudy as we head towards later on this morning, this afternoon down there in the South Sound. And checking the view, looking out there from our Queen Anne Tower camp towards Elliott Bay, you can see we already have some clouds that have already started to show up there. And again, it's going to be mostly increasing clouds. Looking out towards the east there from our Granite Falls High School shots, you can see sunshine getting in underneath, but definitely some higher clouds there, picking up a little bit of the pink, especially up there in the left-hand corner. You can kind of pick that out. Be easier to see once we get a little bit more daylight. Checking our countdown to summer, just 8 days away. A week from tomorrow, we officially reached the summer solstice. I think yesterday felt like it could have been the summer solstice. In fact, it's going to be considerably cooler here for the next few days as we approach the official arrival of summer. Take a look at the pollen count from Northwest Aspen-Allergy. With the warm day, trees stayed in the low range, and we had moderate for both grasses and weed pollens yesterday when they took their measurement early yesterday afternoon. Take a look at the temperatures this morning as you head out the door. Pretty close to where they've been recently. We're running mostly in the mid-50s right now. And checking the satellite image, very weak system pushing its way our direction. A little bit of high pressure that was kind of moving through here yesterday has moved off to the south and east. And this is going to spread some clouds in today. It's not much of a front, and most of the energy from it is going to head up here into British Columbia. Looks like that's going to be pushing through here. Could give us a few showers later this afternoon, early this evening, especially Seattle northward. So don't be surprised if you see a few drops up there, but you might even see a couple of sprinkles farther to the south. That should pretty much clear out as we head towards tomorrow morning, and then we'll see a little bit of a break as we head towards later Wednesday into Thursday before we start getting brushed by some weak systems as we head towards the weekend. Probably the biggest headline for today, though, is the fact those temperatures are really going to drop off. So I said a lot of mid to upper 80s yesterday. Today we're looking at low to mid 60s Everett northward, and then from south of Everett we're looking for temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 60s to right near 70 degrees. And we should stay in that cool pattern for the next few days. So mostly cloudy, chance of showers headed our way as we head towards later this afternoon, early this evening. Roughly in the mid to upper 60s. Most spots. Tomorrow, a few morning showers and then clearing out to partly sunny, mid to upper 60s again. For Thursday, look for morning clouds and mostly sunny, a little bit warmer, upper 60s and low 70s Thursday. Friday, we'll start to see a chance of a few showers developing again later in the day. Temperatures around 70 degrees. A few showers around Saturday mixed with sunshine, mid 60s. And then Father's Day on Sunday looks cool and damp still. We'll see a little bit of rain at times and temperatures only in the upper 50s to right near 60 degrees. Showers and sun breaks in near 60 degrees as we head towards Monday and the last few days of summer, of spring before summer arrives.
Don't take summer away from us now.
I won't, I promise.
All right, well, still to come on